Oil pouring ASMR is a deeply calming sensory experience designed to quiet the mind and relax the body through sound and movement. Warm, silky oil is slowly poured in a steady stream, creating soft, rhythmic tones that gently soothe the nervous system. Each pour is unhurried and intentional, allowing the natural flow, subtle splashes, and delicate echoes to become the focus of attention. As the oil glides over the skin or vessel, its glossy texture and fluid motion enhance visual tranquility, while the sound encourages mindful breathing. This ASMR session helps release mental clutter, reduce stress, and promote a meditative state without effort. The warmth of the oil adds a layer of comfort, evoking feelings of safety and care. Ideal for bedtime relaxation, anxiety relief, or moments of quiet self-connection. Oil pouring ASMR invites you to slow down and fully immerse in the present moment. With every gentle pour, tension melts away, leaving the senses balanced, calm, and softly grounded. Perfect for spa ambiance, mindful rituals, and soothing auditory relaxation.